Hey guys, welcome back to Double K. Today I'm at Wet n Wild and I'll be showing you some exercises that you can do on the bar.
Start up by holding on to an elevated surface and doing 10 front kicks on each leg, trying to get your leg as far up as possible and not touching it down on the ground when you bring it back down. Then complete the same but to the side, trying to keep an upright torso as you lift up your leg and bring it down. Then we're going to be doing some kicks to the back. So start off by doing 5 kicks with a straight leg and 5 kicks in a ring position, trying to get your leg to touch your head. Repeat this on both legs. Find a bench and holding onto it, dip down and back up with your legs extended up in front of you. Repeat this 10 times. Then place your foot on an elevated surface to the side of you and start leaning towards it and then back, towards it and back. Repeat this 3 times before leaning towards your leg and holding that position. Repeat this on both legs. Then place your leg behind you in a penché position and lift up your body. Do this 10 times. Repeat this on your other leg. Then place your back leg up onto a slightly elevated surface and start lifting your back leg up a bit by bit, keeping your torso up straight. Repeat this on both legs. Then put both of your legs together up onto an elevated surface and lean forward as if you're doing a pike stretch. Repeat this 2 times. Then place your back leg up onto an elevated surface and bend your front knee. Repeat this 5 times on each leg.